Meet the Shark Rotator Liftaway, a 2-in-1 upright vacuum with a detachable pod for a whole home cleaning power on hard floors, carpets, and above-the-floor areas. Liftaway technology allows you to remove the pod so that you can easily clean your home. To activate Liftaway and detach the pod from the floor nozzle, simply press the Liftaway button on the bottom side of the pod underneath the accessory holder. To clean above-floor surfaces in Liftaway mode, press the handle button to disconnect the handle from the wand. Next, attach the accessory of your choice to maximize cleaning. For extended reach, just press the wand button on the back of the pod to disconnect the wand. Next, attach an accessory to the wand to easily reach those hard-to-clean areas. With the Shark Rotator Liftaway, cleaning your whole home just got easier.
Now with an XL dustbin and a self-cleaning brush roll, the Shark Ion Robot Vacuum R85 consistently captures short and long hair, dust, dander, and allergens to prevent everyday buildup in your home. Smart Sensor Navigation 2.0 with advanced sensor technology helps the robotic vacuum navigate around obstacles and objects to complete the cleaning job. 2 spinning side brushes pull in debris from corners and edges, and with bot boundary strips, you can create no-go areas for your robot. Schedule or start cleaning from anywhere with a Shark Ion Robot app, or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Ease of a robot, performance of a Shark.